Car Locksmith Negroes. Please follow my Facebook page https://www.facebook.com/BenjiLocksmith123 Bacolod. We accept key duplicate for car, motorcycle, padlock, and other. We accept home service car lock opening, open lock, house all locks repair, motorcycle, car, house, act. Doorknob repair, safety vault opening, change combination, fabrication, all without key ignition, install new key Hyundai Accent ignition switch location, Rosario Araneta corner front Novo beside Imperial Appliances Bacolod. Contact info .094809207775. Oncoming.